You got a raise, but somehow you're still broke. If your lifestyle grows faster than your income, you're actually giving yourself a hidden pay cut. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop lifestyle inflation automatically. Let's talk about something almost no one teaches in school. It's called lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when your spending increases every time your income increases. You earn more, so you spend more. Maybe you upgrade your phone. Maybe you move into a nicer apartment. Maybe you start eating out more often. Each upgrade feels small. Each one feels deserved. But together, they quietly eat your raise. Let me show you how. Imagine you earn $3,000 per month. You get a $600 raise. Instead of saving it, you increase your lifestyle by $400 per month. That's $4,800 per year gone. Not invested, not saved, just absorbed into your new normal. And here's the real problem. The higher your lifestyle goes, the more income you need just to survive at that level. Your stress increases, your freedom decreases. Raises are supposed to build wealth, but for most people, raises only increase expenses. And that's why so many people earn more every year, but never actually feel rich. Here's a simple truth. Wealth is not how much you earn. Wealth is how much you keep. If your income grows, but your savings rate stays the same, you're running faster without moving forward. The good news? You don't need extreme budgeting. You don't need to stop enjoying life. You just need rules. Automatic rules. Every time your income increases, split the raise before you touch it. Here's a simple structure. Save 50%. Spend 30%. Invest 20%. Let's go back to that $600 raise. $300 automatically goes to savings. $180 is for lifestyle upgrades. $120 goes into investments or retirement. This does three powerful things. First, you enjoy your raise immediately. Second, you lock in long-term growth. Third, you prevent lifestyle inflation from taking everything. And the key word here is automatic. Set up your bank or payroll so the money is divided the moment it arrives. If you never see the full amount in your checking account, you'll never feel like you lost anything. Automation beats willpower. Instead of only splitting money manually, you can raise your savings percentage every time your salary increases. For example, if you currently invest 6% of your income and you receive a 20% raise, increase your retirement contribution by 5 or 6 percentage points. Your lifestyle still improves, but your future improves faster. Because here's what most people do. They upgrade their car. They upgrade their home. They upgrade their habits, but they never upgrade their savings rate. Your savings rate is the real engine of wealth. When that number grows every year, financial freedom gets closer automatically. And again, do this through payroll settings. Make the system work without your emotions involved. This one is simple but powerful. Whenever you upgrade one area of your life, reduce or remove another expense. It's called the one-in, one-out rule. If you move into a place that costs $200 more per month, find $200 in current expenses to eliminate. Maybe it's subscriptions. Maybe it's delivery apps. Maybe it's something you don't even use anymore. If you can't replace the cost, delay the upgrade. This forces intentional spending, not emotional spending, not comparison spending, not lifestyle competition. Intentional spending, because lifestyle inflation usually happens quietly. You don't notice it month by month, but 5 years later, you wonder why your income doubled, but your savings didn't. Let's imagine something powerful. You receive two $600 raises over 3 years. That's $1,200 extra per month. If you apply the raise split rule and save or invest 70% of that increase, you're automatically putting away $840 per month. That's over $10,000 per year redirected toward your future, without extreme sacrifice, without cutting your core lifestyle, without feeling restricted. This is how small systems create big outcomes. Not hype, not shortcuts. Here's the recap. Lifestyle inflation happens when your spending rises as fast as your income. To stop it, split every raise. Increase your savings rate. Upgrade with intention. If you automate these three things, your wealth will grow every single year, even if your lifestyle improves. And that's the goal. Enjoy today. Protect tomorrow. If this helped you understand lifestyle inflation in a simple way, subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance videos. Like this video if you plan to apply the raise split rule. And comment below, what will you do with your next raise?